Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's Friday and I'm here with Facts Friday with the next part that we were talking about Bharat Ratna Awards. In the last class, we just described and we just got to know what is Bharat Ratna, who all people get, in which fields this particular award is given. Today we'll learn about some of the awardees. 1954, it was awarded to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. This was the first time when it got started. And also, not only him, but also Chakravarti Raja Gopalacharya and Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkatraman. In 1955, next year, it was given to Dr. Bhagwan Das, Dr. Moksha Gundam Vishveshwaraya, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. In 1957, it was given to Dr. Govind Vallabh Pant. In 1958, Dr. Tondu Keshav Karve. In 1961, it was given to Dr. Bidhan Chandra B.C. Roy and Rajarshi Purushottam Das Tandon. In 1962, it was given to Rajendra Prasad. In 1963, Dr. Pandurag Vaman, in short, he is known as P.V. Kane, and Dr. Zakir Hussain. In 1966, to Lal Bahadur Shastri. In 1972, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and in 1975, Varagiri Venkat Giri. There are more awardees that will be coming up with the next part, but in short, these were some of them who got awarded in the period of 1954 to 75. Now let's see at a glance. Like 54, Dr. Radhakrishna, C. Gopalacharya and C.V. Raman, the three intellectuals that are known since ages. उसके बाद 55 में डॉक्टर बी दास, डॉक्टर मोक्ष गुंदराम वी एंड पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. तो पहला 2 साल में 3 नाम है. देन उसके बाद एक एक 57 में जी बी पंत कॉलेज से याद रख लेना. 1957 में 1857 में आज़ादी की लड़ाई शुरू हुई थी, तो जी बी पंत हमारा एकदम फर्स्ट कॉलेज है ना. तो 51 के टाइम पे पहली बार आज़ादी की लड़ाई हुई थी. फिर 1958 में डी के कार्वे. 61 में अगेन वी हैव टू बी सी रॉय एंड आर पी दास. देन 62 में फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट राजेंद्र प्रसाद. 63 में देन पी वी कान एंड जाकिर हुसैन. 66 में लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के बाद 72 में इंदिरा गांधी जी एंड 75 में वी वी गिरी. So that's it for the day. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll again come up till that. Take care. Bye bye.